guess the plumber found it collapsed. We just want to confirm where it is. So we're going to go down line here from the clean out. Turns right away. 245s. Oh yeah. No doubt about that. Let me locate where that is. We're not gonna try to go past it, I'll get stuck. Okay, so we got that located right in the middle of that air conditioning compressor pad. We'll bring it out a foot and get a mark on the outside. Alright, so we got that located about 8 or 9 inches under the front edge and about 18 inches deep. So I think there's a good chance you can dig it up, to support that pad, dig it up and replace it without removing that air conditioning pad. But I'll leave that up to you.